Okay, what happened? Got my point? Okay, but I want to write effectively this code also. This code also I want to write effectively. Okay, how we can write means, okay, we'll tell in tomorrow's class. Okay, this is not the final code. Okay, how we can write, we'll tell. Okay, what is the drawback here? We'll discuss and we can improve this code. Tomorrow. Tomorrow no class. Tomorrow there is no class. Okay then. Okay, now only I will tell. Okay, just give me 2 minutes. Okay, instead of this n1 and n2, okay, if you state variable get updated, see the drawback I'm telling. Okay, for every state change here, let me print one console message. Console.log of, okay, app, okay, loading, app component loading. Now see, if I refresh the page, first time my app component loaded or not? Okay, 2 and 3. If I click on the sum, see, again my app component loaded or not? If the new change, okay, the new change, if you want to render, again my component gets loaded or not? If the state variable value get changed, the new changes re-rendered, right, inside the browser. Why means, again my component is gets loading or not? Again my component gets loading or not? Yes or no? Now, if I put like this, 33, okay, now the value is like 33, but expecting what? By expected value is what? But expected value is what? 35, right? Why means my component gets re-rendered, right? Whenever the component gets re-rendered, this value like what now? Again, it's like what? Reset to what? Again, it's reset to what? Zeros or not? Again, is reset to zeros or not? That is the problem. Okay, that's the reason. Okay, if it is like a normal variable, it's get reset. But if it is a state variable, you are not the person to change, right? Who can change the values? Set result. The function can change the values or not. So can we create these two also like a state variables? Yes or no? Come on, come on. You understood the problem, right? Got my point? If it is a state variable, you are not the person to directly change. Who can change it? The function can change the function can update the state variables or not. Okay, let's create the one more state variable. React dot use state 0. One more state variable. It returns me what? Same story. What is my state variable? N1 set N1. Like this, can I create one more state variable? N2 set N2. Then now can I remove this one? Now, this particular data I want to update in the N1, right? So how we can update it? How we can update it? By using set N1. How we can update it? This value. By using set N. Done. Now it should work. There is no other option. 5. Now my expected output should be 35. Working? Yes or no? Okay. Let me upload it. See, whatever the programs are given, can you convert? Can you do the same programs by using state variables now? Use ref, you can use it. That is one way of writing. Can you go with the state variables also? Can you go with the state variables also? Can you do that? Yours is 18.1, huh? Yeah, uploaded in the JS tab. Okay, just you can download it. Okay, so close all. So the assignment is like complete HTML topics, total HTML, total CSS from UIJavaKit.com. Okay, what topics are there? You can complete it. This one and this one. Okay, the next one. Okay, React programs I already told, right? Okay, how many programs you create? Okay, yesterday's one. Okay, I given like an assignment. Okay, okay, even odd, prime. Okay, reverse. I want with the state variable, with the state variables concept. With state variables concept, I want. Okay, the next one is like by using riffs. By using riff. Okay, so the same programs use, okay, use state hook, use riff hook. Also, you can use it 2 times. You can write by using use riff hook, complete those. By using use state, complete those. Okay, all are agreed. Okay, this is our assignment. Okay, that's so the next class is on Monday. Now, if you come here, okay, somebody pasted in chat. What's wrong with this code? Reuse render. Okay, reuse the component number one. Okay, so this is the number one. This is dot props dot en1. Okay, div box. Okay, render. Reuse number two. Live server, if it is not opened, okay, your machine maybe live server is not working, then that no problem at all. Just you can run, okay, directly HTML, right click on the file and open with the browser. That one you can. That one you can use. Okay, at the same time, this one reuse, spelling mistake also. See this. This is the reuse and this one reuse. Okay, check in the console. Check in the console. Okay, check in the console. Check in the console. Yeah, spelling mistake, you are right. Line number 31 also wrong. Huh? Yeah, split text dot length, you can make it like reverse. That's also works. That's also okay. Okay, now text dot split, okay, dot reverse dot join. Okay, that one you can go. Otherwise, you can make it like reverse, your wish. Okay, any questions, anyone? Complete HTML, complete CSS. Okay, whatever the programs are there, by using use ref hook, by using use state hook, I want. Okay, empty text boxes at the time of clicking on the button. Okay, check the number one is not equals to 0. Okay, then the time it's have data. Okay, complete. Try from your end, even odd and prime number and reverse. I will tell in the next class. Okay. Okay then. Thank you guys.